now here at Singapore Cruise Center. We're taking a cruise going to Indonesia. You'll have some swimming there. Come on, let's check it out.
After ng isang oras na paglalayag simula sa Singapore, nakarating din ako ng Indonesia. Ay, excited na akong mag-beach!
Hi guys! We're now here at Bintan Resort, Indonesia. Come on, let's check it out. Let's see what's in store on us here.
Advantage sa mga tipid traveler ang pag-walk-in sa mga hotel. So halika, samahan niyo ako at kumain na rin tayo ng breakfast.
Hi guys, I'm going to take a breakfast. Specifically, in my right is the nice scenery of Bintan, Indonesia.
Naman naroon ngayon, sana mainam ang kondisyon. At kung dinaramdam mo pa ang alaala, huwag mag-alala. Sa lalong madaling panahon, kung mayroong pagkakataon, nais kong makasama ka, tayong dalawa o kaya kata. Habang ako ay narito, tanaw ang alon.
In my front, it's a nice scenery of a nice breakfast. This is the life, guys. We'll taste the sausages. And have a nice coffee. Superb!
Magdadaan dito sa isla, ikaw ako, taklaw ng kasera. Munting bato ay itatapon sa malayo.
Oh hi guys! Being a Filipino is never complete without experiencing the beach. And this house, where I stay, as you can see, so many people. That's all my friendly neighborhood. Bibilangin natin kung gaano tayo kalayo sa beach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, Steps lang, nasa beach ka na. Konting kembot lang, nasa beach ka na. Yeah, punta na kayo sa Indonesia.
Plastic bottle from the Pacific Ocean. I teach you how to swim in the, make a shower in the beach.
Uwian na ng mga ibon. Ang buwan ay muling babangon. Hayun ang unang estrelya. Dun ba masayang nakatira? Habang ako
Galing! Kumahangos ka! Hindi ka muna! Galing! Kumahangos ka! Kaya ko nakalon! Galing! Nagpapakay! Ah! Wala ka naman! langoy. Ilangay ka ng agos.
Langoy lang ako ng langoy. At na alon.
Hindi ka nagbangka.
Hindi, nilangoy ko lang.
Dapat nagbangka ka.
Speaking of bangka,
Onyok, what you want to learn?
I want to learn how to make bamboo.
Bangkang papel, you know. Okay. Bangkang papel is very easy to do.
How to do?
Just follow what I do. Simple step. You fold your paper in a half. Just like that.
Tubig ulan. Tubig ulan. Tubig ulan. May naipong tubig ulan. Kaya't kumuha ng papel. Itupi-tupi ito. Ayan, bawang papel. Bangkang papel, bangkang papel. Gumawa tayo ng bangkang papel. Halika na, halina, palutangin na natin sa ibabaw ng tubig. Baka ay paglayagin. May malaki, at may pinakamalaki.
This is the boat that we done. It's very simple. Hope you enjoy our show. Onyok and Cards, I love you, Sabado.